In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a button in Kartra Builder. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a button on your page and tailor it to match your message and brand, all inside the Kartra Page Builder. First, open the Page Builder. From your dashboard, go to Pages and either create a new page or choose an existing one you want to improve. The Page Builder is where all your layout and content editing happens, so make sure you're on the page where the button should appear. Once your page is open, look to the left-hand side of the screen for the navigation panel. Click on the Components tab. Think of components as your toolbox. It holds the building blocks you can place on the page, like headlines, images, forms, and of course buttons. Next, select Buttons. When you click on Buttons, you'll see a collection of ready-made button templates. Browse through the styles and pick one that suits your call to action. Don't worry too much about getting it perfect at this stage. You'll be able to customize the text, colors, and shape in a moment. Now it's time to place the button. Click and drag your preferred button style from the Components panel onto your page canvas. As you move it around, watch for the drop zones to highlight. When a drop zone turns green, that spot is ready to receive the button. Release your mouse to place it there. If you don't see green, try nudging the cursor slightly within a section or column until the builder shows you a valid location. This helps ensure your button snaps neatly into your layout. With the button on the page, let's make it yours. Hover over the button you just placed and click it to activate the orange menu. Then click the pencil icon labeled Edit. This opens the button editor where you can customize the text, style, and link. Update the label with clear, action-oriented copy like Get Started or Download Now. Adjust the style to match your brand, tweak the color, size, font, and corner radius, and set alignment so it sits exactly where you want it. Finally, set the link destination. Choose where the button should send visitors, whether that's another page in your site, a specific section, a checkout, a pop-up, or an external URL. Make sure the link behavior fits your goal and use concise, descriptive text so it's obvious what happens when someone clicks. That's it. Open the Page Builder, find components, select buttons, drag and drop, then edit with the pencil to refine text, style, and link. You now have a polished, on-brand button ready to drive action on your Kartra page.